Have you noticed in these last 6 months that we've all been stuck at home and our lives have been thrown for a toss, that there's a feeling of overwhelm that's been taking place? I want to share a secret with you. I've been going through that as well. Welcome to the Awesome 180 channel. I'm Ashdin Doctor. I'm your habit coach. And today is a very personal discussion because I've been feeling something and I've been going through something in my own journey, and I thought I'd share that with you. So if you like content like this, please don't forget to hit subscribe and press the little bell icon so you know when future videos come out. Overwhelm. Overwhelm is a feeling of too many things happening at the same time all at once. Overwhelm is that feeling of not knowing what to target first and what is going on in your life because there's just so much uncertainty about what needs to be done and how you're going to be doing it. Overwhelm is that feeling of feeling so trapped that you just don't want to do anything. You're not going to start. So today I'm going to share with you how I deal with this feeling of overwhelm, because understand it happens to us all, right? None of us are above this feeling. None of us are above what's happening in the world today. So for the last 2 weeks, I've been feeling the strain. What has happened was we expected this lockdown to finish. We expected life to change. So we were going either full force or we weren't going at all. And nothing has happened. So that frustration has settled in. And as a result, we've had a lot of incompletions that have piled up. For me, there was about 6 to 7 incompletions that had piled up. How about you? Think about your life. What are the aspects that you were meaning to do, wanting to do, but just left them incomplete because you couldn't figure out how to do them, when to do them, have the energy to do them, or you just said, later, I'll do it later. So what I want to share with you is a beautiful technique. It's called a brain dump. Okay? It is taking everything in your brain and just dumping it on paper. Now, how do you do this? It's very simple. What you do is wake up in the morning or at night, the night before you go to bed, just write down all the things that you need to do. Make a long to-do list and then start just figuring out how you're going to do what, when. Why is the brain dump important? Because very often in your mind, it gets stuck saying, yes, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. But what happens is that you've not put a time to them and you haven't completed them. See, the problem is that if you don't take out everything from your head, you have to remember everything that you have to do. And this just adds to your stress because you're constantly wondering, did I forget something? Was I supposed to call that person? What project did I have to complete next? And this starts going around in your head and you just feel that there's a lot more to do, So the best way of doing this is just sit down with a blank sheet of paper and just write down all the things that you remember that need to be done. In fact, I just did that today, this morning, and you can see I wrote brain dump on the top. And this is how I work and function. And all of a sudden, there is so much clarity because now I know exactly what needs to be done first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Where are my priorities? So what I do is after I do a brain dump, I make a list of priorities. I make them into 1, 2s and 3s. 1s are the urgent ones, 2s are the not so urgent ones, 3s are the things that I can push. Maybe they'll become urgent, maybe I'll just never end up doing them. So 1, 2 and 3. Once I make this list, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a commitment to myself. Today, I'm going to complete all the 1s. I'm going to finish them off. Why? Because then that is going to be giving me that sense of peace. Now that I've completed something, I've accomplished something. Then I will go to the 2s, and if I have time, maybe the 3s. Very often, some of these things that you put down in a brain dump are dependent on other people. Make a note of that as well, because you can't do that unless the other person finishes what they have to do, right? If you wish and wish that they finish it off, that's just going to lead to more frustration. So which is why only focus on the things that you can do, that you can focus on in this particular moment. After you finish doing this, after you finish putting the brain dump, action. Remember, this entire channel is all about action. Habits are about action. Thinking and then action. So now what I want you to do after you finish this brain dump is to go and actually finish off all these things. Mark them off your to-do list. Put a nice big tick mark against them. This makes you feel so strong and empowered that you'll want to finish the next one and the next one and the next one. Go through your list like this and you will see that that feeling of overwhelm suddenly shrinks, disappears, and you get such peace, such clarity. And that is what I want you to have. You see, as your habit coach, I'm constantly looking for ways in which I can help you live a more fulfilled life, a more energetic life. And a feeling of overwhelm is not an energetic life. A feeling of overwhelm is a life that's going to drag you down, pull you down. Instead, I want you to feel free. Free of all these to-do things and free in the head of all this thoughts that are running saying that I have to do this, I have to do this. So, your habit for this week is every night, sit down and do a brain dump. If you prefer, do a brain dump in the morning like I do. And then go and finish the things on your list. Why? Because I want you to complete them and I want you to see progress moving forwards. I'm sure you have friends and family who are completely bogged down with their own ideas and their own way of thinking. Please share this video with them. Teach them how to do a brain dump. It's something so easy to do, but it is such a powerful tool. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And remember, awesome lives, they just start with these tiny awesome habits.